Back then, there was like a woman that used to sell her customers' hair, hairdresser that used to sell her customers' hair, and the woman was unable, and she
Away, my people. Hey. This thing I felt the year am before. Hey, me I felt great on my people. Hello, my people. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. This is Untouchable Mama. Please do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Mama or Untouchable Mama backup page. Also follow me on my YouTube, Unto Mama. Now me still there. My people, wonder shall never end. Nothing when Musa no go see forget to. We had a year all this thing that time. I remember that time where be say, if you want go do your hair, your mama will tell you say, make sure say your the person where they do your hair, make sure say you pack your hair where be say, you know, say if you they comb your hair now, you go they come on for the for your hair, so you go pack and carry come house. Now you go through one by yourself anywhere where you like. Now you want dump and put. Hey, this is start come out come they tell us say where the one salon like that, you know, na some salon there now where be say you want go do your hair, then they speak another language. This one na Yoruba, na then they speak. Wonder shall never end. Person hair, this hair wanna see so. Where the woman where be say all this customer go come finish, they don't do their hair finish. Normally, if you go salon, my people, the hair wey be say they comot for you, wey comot for your hair, you know, go pack and if you dey for salon, shebi you go leave and you comot. Nowadays, the thing wey be say if they happen before, they say still they go on. The salon where she go, he say one lady come enter inside there. As he enter, then they begin they talk, or they come they speak Yoruba. Everything when they talk, she they hear her. They ask and say how far, how you know all these things. He say get one. I go put down and go listen. He get one. What they call allergy. All this babalawo where be say that they buy. Where she they pack all the hair where be say she don't gather for her own salon. She go pack am, then go buy am. You know that they use am until they do something. Hey. Now, wow. Now, make some people, if you want to do it, if you want to do that person here, he go say, may you come in house, he go pay you. Because he no want me you come out anything, come out for there. As he they come and so she go, they pack everything, and she go gather and go drop throw away for where you want to throw away. This thing don't they happen before, because maybe they think say maybe it don't even stop, they know the year again. They still they go on. I beg, wash your back. Oh. Any salon where you go, you better carry your what do they call your hair tie? Put for here. If they come and make your head more than no first. You go the four put so that you go carry your thing come house. So because then they sell and go they take until they do something. Una know say something will come out for your head now. Now for your brain for come out. He said this woman now later after all these things she can't realize say this thing where she they do is not good. He can't they go church. He can't say make they forgive her. What of those people where be say you don't pack their hair go sell for one babalawo because of money? People they come your store, come they do hair. You pack their own hair, go give babalawo make them buy. When they buy finish, another person here, they don't use that to do something. Who can't know? That one destiny, they don't change them. Hey, may we listen to this our sister. Listen very careful. Be careful.
So I got there and the woman was just talking. She was talking to her customers I met there with a particular woman, and then she was switching like from Yoruba to English and all of that. But the main point was her. Back then, there was like a woman that used to sell her customers' hair, hairdresser that used to sell her customers' hair, and the woman was unable, and she was just in that. The woman was always like buying new stuff. The woman now went to buy new, the woman bought a new, what's that thing called? Where you wash your hair, you get, and it was a modern type, like not all these normal one that they'll bend your neck on. Like this one was a very comfortable one. That's before you know, the next week the woman bought another thing. The woman was just buying, making her shop look very classy. So a lot of people were coming. So she now asked the woman that, wetin dey happen? So the woman like told her about it after, because they were from the same village, right? Not like same village, but like the same town. So the woman told her, saying that, oh, maybe she'll be interested. And then, of course, she was interested. She said that make she talk true. She do her customers that will come to make hair in her place, she'll gather the hair together, and then she started supplying hairs to these rich men that will come to collect the. I mean, now at this point, I'm scared. I'm like, in my head, I don't know what was going on in her head. Maybe she's feeling like she's telling the story freely, and then we were just going to be like, oh, thank God for your life, you have changed. In my mind, I'm already canceling this appointment. But like, hold on, she was not done talking. She said she too, she was not able to, buy stuff. She was not pointing at things like, this dryer, now that time me self come buy am before I not get dryer. This thing, now that time me tell buy am. This blah 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 blah. This. Wow. She was pointing things that she benefited from the money that she got from selling her customers' hair. She now said that one day she went to church. Now, pastor now preached someone that really touched her. And then that's when she gave her life to Christ. She surrendered. She was like, no, she's not going to do this again. And then she stopped. That she has begged God for forgiveness. And now my thoughts are, so you begged God for forgiveness, right? Fine and good. You believe God has forgiven you for all of your atrocities. Trust you enough to come to your shop to make her hair. And then you go and sell her hair to people. What are you thinking? What do you think that they use those hairs for? And that you feel like your prayers now have been answered because you begged for forgiveness. So all those people, whatever they have used their hair for, well, how do you think their life would be?
I don't know.
So like they were just, talking blah 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 blah. As I lose my hair finish, I'm like, I said, please give me my hair, I beg. Nobody tell me 2 times. I packed every clip that came off because my hair, like, and if I comb it cuts. So I collected everything. So when they were like, oh, let's wash your hair. I washed my hair. Oh yeah, now consider me to make your hair. Wow. It was even the woman. They said she knows how to make hair. So it was because of her I went to that shop. But after that story, I collect my hair finish. Carry myself, go house. I told her, oh, that in fact, because of that, I started acting all irritated. Like that girl was like dragging my hair so much that it was painful. And I'm like, you know what? I can't continue with this hair because I'm having terrible headache at this point. So maybe I'll come back tomorrow. And that's why I left there because I don't want to hear it was in the past. Because what if you just decide to do it again? So guys, let's be careful. Be careful where you make your hairs. And please, I want to quickly add that always watch yourself. If you make your hair in this place and you see that something has changed in your life, be observant. Like, be vigilant. Observe yourself. If you make your hair in this particular place and you see that after you made your hair, your life changed. They are suspects. To be honest, they are suspects. Things are happening. Nobody they show love again.
No be lie on my people. Wanna be careful. Because during that time, we dey hear all this news say, Mona be careful, all these people that they collect, they will carry your hair, go sell for all these babalawo, then they use the hair till they do something. Hey. Now many people, they baba their hair, they not kukuma, they go salute, what they want go do for them? Go just carry baba or just they put water like that, because this your hair, now then everything for start, go reach ground. Go reach your you start from here. All your grace now here they. Who know where they carry them they go? Not only God know. Not only God they help everybody they go. All because of money. Person can't do hair for a salon. You go consider say, hey, where my hair? You get as it be. But all these people they do one for real. My people. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. Please continue to share my video. Anywhere where you see my video, just share and God go bless you more and more. The hand where you take share now money, now you go take and take the carry. Love this video, share this video. What do you think? You don't fair hear this story before the time where you small or now. What do you think about this? What do you think about what happen? Because it really they happen. Me don't fair hear on that time. I don't know say still they go on. Una do well. Una bye bye for now.